Hi, today we will go over the basics of creating the sales order. So first of all, you go to the module and then you select the account receivable module. And on the module, you can see all sales order. Just select all sales order, and then you find the customer that you need to find the customer. So in this case, first you have this is the new sales order right here, and then you have to get the customer account. So in this case, I have the account number. US 20, so I just search for the number 20. So US dash 020, so you just select that customer, and on the right hand side you can see the information of the customer. So this the customer have to be enter before you create a sales order. Okay. um, so you check the address, make sure the address we deliver. If not, you have to change to a different delivery address. Again, this one have to be you can add the address right here if you have the different address to enter, but in this case just for beginning, so I just use the default address. And you go down here, you have to know what warehouse you ship from. So this also you have to know before you enter on sales order. Okay, in this case I just have select the warehouse number 11, and then I just so on the warehouse there should be a site number. So some warehouse have like 3 or 4 different sites, so in this case I just have size number 1. That's where the item located. So for the reference number, you have like customer PO right here. You can enter PO number 125, and the customer reference, it can be a job number, right? A job number depend on the you can enter the information right here. So on the document they will show the information, and this is like the project ID. This is also the information on the sales order. So after you fill in all the information, you just say OK. So that will create a new sales order. Okay. So the new sales order you have right now is 861. It's on top right here, number 861. So you can write it down 861. And the item, so you can fill in the item right here, like what item do they need. So in this case I just select the item D2, because this item they have in stock in the site 11 that we already select the warehouse 11 site number 1 with the have in stock. So and then you have to know the quantity they need. So in this case I just say quantity 3, and you have to fill in the price, the unit price. So in this case I say $200 each. So the total come out $600. So it's still open order because you haven't confirmed anything. Okay. So and this one, so you don't see any sales tag or something involved, right? Because you haven't confirmed the sales order yet. So when you confirm, you can see the sales tag after you confirm. So you go back to sales right here. Oh, sorry, you have to save first. In this case, you have to save in order to see that. So I just save. Okay, I just save the order, the sales order, and then I go to sale. See, right now you can see the confirm sales order. So you just hit confirm sales order, So this is confirmation. Okay, so you make sure the site warehouse units and then the net amount. You say okay. You say okay again. Now you say operation um, completed. So you can view the journal right here. The journal is after you confirm the sales order confirmation will create as journal. Okay. So if you go to journal and then you go to sales order confirmation, so in this one you can click that, and then you can view the just print view and print. Just you just view the original. Okay, so now you have confirmation. So this one, so with the unit price and this they have a sales tag on it. Okay, so this is the confirmation. This one you can email to your customer if they want to see the sales order. You see the requisition is the PO number, your reference is like job number, and then our rep is the person who fill in the sales order. Okay, this is the payment term. This is something you have to preset. Uh, so if you hit the back arrow key and another back arrow key, so they go back to the sales order. Okay, so and then after you confirm the sales order, you a next step is to ship the item, right? So and here they say pick and pack, right? So in here, so let's assume that you want to ship the all three item. Okay, no back order, just you have all in stock. So you see the delivery now, just push three. Three is the quantity they order, so you ship all of them. Okay, and then you have to generate the picking list. So when after you generate the picking list, you say okay. You make sure the quantity three, and then the net price and the item number is correct. So you say okay. Say okay again. Now you already generate a picking list. Okay. So after you generate a picking list, you can see this is like it's not highlight. So you because this function you already use. Okay. So but they do generate a journal. They do generate the picking list right here, a copy. So you can go here and then you can preview, print preview. You can original preview. In this one, you can you say okay. So the picking list is for the warehouse personnel to go to the warehouse and pick the item. So the warehouse personnel will check the quantity right here and then the quantity pick. So if they have all three in stock, they just put three right here, and then yeah, that's it. And then let me see. And then you go back. You have to print this one a hard copy for the warehouse person, okay, to pick the item. So go back again, and then you go back again, and then the warehouse person will register the item, okay. After they pick register, like you pull the item out from stock, and then you register. In this case, you have a quantity of three, right? So it's activated. So in here you have updated. To go here and update all. That's mean the item in stock. Okay, all item in stock. You have to update all. That's mean all the three item is in stock. So when you update all, you can see this is completed. So basically right now we're ready to ship it out. Okay, and then you right here you hit back button again. Now you pull the packing list. So post packing list is you put the packing list on the item merchandise, so you can ship with the packing list. So in this case, you have item three item, and then you say okay, because you okay. So it's okay. Okay, you ship all three item. Okay, so you see the packing list is generated, and then all the function right here is all disabled because they are executed. Okay, so you cannot go back and do it again because they are done. So, but the journal, you have the picking list and you have the packing list slip. So the packing slip, you put in the with the merchandise you ship. Okay, and then see preview and print. You just go here and then say original preview. And this one you can print out the copy and put the ship, and you ship with the item. To print, there's it's right here, the print function. You can click the print function to print it out. Okay, so you can select whatever printer you have, or the but in this case I assume that you know how to print, so I just cancel it, and I go back here and I go back again. So right now you already finished picking list, packing slip. The final step is to invoice. Okay, so you go to invoice, you can see this is like both, right? So it's not execute yet. So just hit invoice and you say okay. You say okay again. You see this is operational completed. So under the invoice, there's a journal under the invoice. So this is highlighted. So you see the journal right here. This is disabled because you already execute the function. But underneath the journal, there's the invoice here. Is the for the paperwork. You can save as a PDF file, or you can print out a copy and email to the customer. Or actually, you can do a PDF and email to the customer. That's better. So right here, see the total invoice right here with sales tax, net amount, sales tax, and this is the total invoice. Okay. So usually you can print the PDF file, PDF, Adobe PDF, or Microsoft PDF. It doesn't matter. So I prefer Microsoft PDF. So you print this one, and then you email to the customer. Okay, I assume you know how to do this one, so I just cancel this, and then so basically the sales order is done. Okay, so if you refresh right here, this is the refresh button, so they will have the most update one. So you can see this is a invoice. Okay, so it's already complete. One is invoice, that means the sales order is closed. Okay, so that's it for today, for the basic create a sales order. Next time I can go over a little bit more detail of the sales order, like changing the quantity and partial shipment and something like that. So thank you.